So good day, lovers of STEM. Here is my last post before I go run errands for today. I have gotten entrenched in a debate on the Bird app that I'm bringing here to get your opinion. So I was talking about latitude and letting students turn in late work, and that I do have a line, but I will let you do it for extenuating circumstances, because part of being a professor is teaching students to be a professional. So I have to model things you're going to need to be able to do in your future career, like being organized, managing time, turning things in on time, being curious, problem solving, troubleshooting. And somebody responded to my tweet and said, professionalism is coded in whiteness and anti-Black, I assume. And I was intrigued because I cannot receive that Black people cannot be organized, manage time, have competence and skills in their profession. I quickly learned that there are two different kinds of professionalism that were being discussed. And some people feel like having requirements about how you dress, how you speak, your hair, code switching, and all of that is coded in whiteness. And that's how they equate professionalism. Interesting discussion, but that's not what I was referring to. And I'm talking about those skills that you need to be successful at your job, like competence, like being able to technically write and communicate and give a presentation and meet deadlines and test your work and make sure that it meets specifications, etc. So I guess my question today for those who want to respond is, do you feel that professionalism, or teaching students to be professional, is coded in whiteness and anti-Black? I think you already know from what I just stated where I stand on this. And yes, I do understand some people feel like professional hair would not be locks or would not be braids. And I absolutely will not agree with that. I've had a manager tell me that my braids were unprofessional for the workplace. I don't receive that. However, I do receive that part of being a professional is being organized, managing your time, being able to communicate clearly your technical ideas, etc. So that's my advice for today. How do you feel about professionalism? And do you feel that having all those skills is anti-Black or coded in whiteness? I'm never going to agree that we cannot hold students, Black people, whoever, to some kind of expectations. And I know they can live up to it because I live up to it. So stay STEM wonderful and think about professional skills and what it is you need to do to be successful, and whether all of it is really anti-Black or racist. Stay STEM wonderful.